Create a comprehensive retail industry digital transformation strategy for 2026, including market analysis, competitive landscape, technology trends, implementation roadmap, and ROI projections. I'm Derek. I create AI automation content for YouTube and Udemy, AI tutorials, workflow automation, AI integrations. But when I discovered Skywork, I realized it solves a massive problem for consultants, analysts, product managers, anyone who creates professional deliverables under deadline pressure. What you're watching right now is a complete research report generating with verified sources using DeepResearch. So let me walk you through a real consulting scenario to show you why this is powerful. Imagine you're a consultant. It's Wednesday afternoon. Client calls. They need a complete digital transformation strategy for their retail business. Board presentation, Monday morning. Normally, this takes a consulting team 3 weeks. Research analysts, strategy consultants, designers. You have 4 days. And I just showed you how Skyworks Docs agent created the DeepResearch foundation in minutes. Look at what got generated. A comprehensive strategic playbook covering U.S. retail sales growth at 3.5% for 2026 against a backdrop of easing inflation and value-seeking consumers. The GLP-1 drug effect wiping $6.5 billion from U.S. grocery sales and reshaping apparel sizing. A head-to-head competitive breakdown of Amazon's $2.1 trillion walled garden AI strategy versus Walmart's open ecosystem, partnering with OpenAI and Google. How Shein and Temu are mastering cultural velocity with 7-day concept-to-sample cycles. Global AI spending exceeding $2 trillion, with 40% of enterprise apps embedding AI agents by year-end. 4.7 million warehouse robots installed worldwide, with AMR payback periods as short as 8 months. AR virtual try-on driving 94% higher conversion rates on Shopify and cutting returns by 40%. A 4-phase transformation roadmap from strategic alignment through enterprise-wide scaling, and ROI analysis across warehouse automation, AI personalization, and composable commerce. Full citations, detailed methodology, strategic frameworks, all research-backed. This isn't generic AI content. Every number traces back to a verified source. And now we're going to turn this research into a board-ready presentation. Here's what's happening under the hood. Skyworks' DeepResearch engine scanned over 600 web pages for this report, pulling from professional databases, earnings reports, industry analysts. You get citations for every claim and sources for every number. This isn't an AI summarizing the internet. It's research infrastructure built for professional deliverables. And that research foundation is about to power everything else. Now, here's the workflow that makes this ecosystem so powerful. You have this deep research report. The board doesn't want to read 28 pages. They want a tight strategy deck. So you take that research and hand it to Slides Agent. Ask Slides Agent to create a board-ready strategy presentation based on the research we just generated. Watch what happens. Slides Agent pulls from that verified research. Same data, same sources, same strategic frameworks, and transforms it into a 10-slide strategy deck with professional design, data visualizations, and a narrative that flows. The research gives you depth. The deck gives you impact. And I'm not going to lie, every time I see this happen, it still blows my mind. For a consulting firm doing this manually, that's 200 billable hours. At $250 per hour, that's a $50,000 engagement. This took minutes. Professional design, strategic frameworks, comprehensive visualizations, all powered by the same verified research foundation. Click through and look at the quality. Macro environment with regional growth forecasts and the GLP-1 disruption reshaping entire categories. Competitive landscape charting Amazon's $2.1 trillion walled garden versus Walmart's open ecosystem strategy with market cap visualizations. The AI mandate showing conversational commerce quadrupling to $20.9 billion. The Phygital store with that 94% AR conversion lift and 92% store-based fulfillment stat. Supply chain resilience with 4.7 million warehouse robots and 99.9% order accuracy. A 4-phase execution roadmap and ROI benchmarks across every technology area. This is what executives expect to see. Now think about what you've built in under 30 minutes. A comprehensive research report with methodology, analysis, and citations. A board-ready strategy deck that tells the story visually. 2 deliverables, 1 research foundation. But we're not done. Executives are busy. They're commuting, in meetings, answering emails. So you open Podcast Agent and tell it, create a board-ready strategy presentation based on the research. Watch what happens. Podcast Agent analyzes the research, identifies the most critical talking points, structures them into a natural conversation flow, and generates a professional audio briefing. Listen to this.
Welcome to our podcast on retail digital transformation. I'm Sarah, a retail technology consultant, and today we're diving into how digital transformation is reshaping the retail landscape. We'll be exploring customer experience innovations, technology adoption challenges, and emerging e-commerce trends.
Hi, everyone. I'm Michael, a retail strategy analyst. I'm excited to join Sarah for this discussion. You know, the retail industry is at a fascinating crossroads.
That's not robotic text-to-speech. That's a produced podcast episode hitting the GLP-1 disruption, the Amazon versus Walmart AI divergence, the warehouse automation ROI, all pulled from the same research. The CEO listens on the commute home. The CFO catches it between meetings. By Monday's board presentation, everyone walks in already briefed. 1 research foundation, report, deck, and audio briefing. That's the power of specialized agents working together. That same DeepResearch foundation powers multiple specialized agents, each built for a different deliverable type. You've seen docs, slides, and podcast. Let me show you the rest. Sheets Agent for financial modeling. Ask it to create a 3-year ROI model for this retail transformation. Implementation costs, revenue projections, sensitivity analysis. It builds the entire financial model with formulas, scenario analysis, auto-generated charts. This is what finance teams expect, not just numbers, proper modeling. AI images, and this is a big one. Skywork gives you unlimited Nano Banana Pro, Google's latest image model, native 2K resolution, legible text and images, and conversational editing. So you generate an image, then refine it through dialogue. Change the background, add rim lighting, make it a low-angle shot. Each edit builds on the last. For this project, I'm generating executive quality visuals for the strategy deck, market trend graphics, infographic-style data visualizations, all without touching Photoshop or paying for stock images. AI Check gives you a multi-model workspace, Claude Opus 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5, Gemini 3 Pro, all in one place. No switching between ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini tabs. Use it to brainstorm strategy angles, pressure test your research, or draft executive summaries. Pick the model that fits the task, and everything stays in one project. Web Agent creates professional landing pages. For this project, you need a portal where the client team accesses all deliverables. Describe what you need: project overview, downloadable reports, timeline, contact info. Web Agent generates a clean, responsive website, one central hub, no emailing PDFs back and forth. So that's the full stack: research report, strategy deck, podcast briefing, financial model, data visuals, client portal, and more, all from one platform. I showed you consulting, but this works for anyone under deadline pressure: business analysts, product managers, researchers, sales engineers. For me as a content creator building AI automation tutorials, I need the same things: verified research, multiple deliverable formats, professional quality, fast. I time this entire consultant scenario, about 40 minutes of generation time. Add 2 hours for review. That's 3 hours instead of 3 weeks. Let's talk pricing. The free tier gives you unlimited documents, images, and slides. You can test the DeepResearch quality without spending anything. Basic at $16.99 a month adds sheets, chat, and professional database access. Plus, at $42.49, unlocks all 11 agents. That's less than 1 billable hour for an entire AI workspace. I'll put the full breakdown in the description. Head to Skywork.ai, start with the free tier, build your first research report, turn it into a deck. See the quality for yourself. Links in the description. Skywork is the difference between AI that chats and AI that delivers. 11 specialized agents, professional databases, verifiable sources, client-ready deliverables in minutes, not weeks. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down AI tools like this every week. See you in the next one.